Jesuits versus Templars comparison, founder, founding date, religion, symbol, primary purpose, headquarters, papal approval, vows, military role, educational focus, missionary work, wealth source, dissolution date, current status, leader title, famous member, motto, uniform, global presence, political influence, common accusations, scientific contributions, historical role, membership type, training focus, secrecy level, banking involvement, cultural impact, persecuted by, restoration, peak membership, modern legacy.